This isolated sphere represents the reality of modern AI. The models themselves are brilliant, capable of processing complex logic at lightning speed. But right now, they are mostly trapped in a void, completely cut off from the fast-moving streams of real-world enterprise data they actually need to do their jobs. For years, fixing this meant developers had to manually wire the AI to the outside world, spending weeks writing custom API wrappers just to get a basic data feed flowing. And maintaining those connections is a constant grinding chore. You're suddenly managing fragile Docker containers, updating broken authentication tokens, and fighting a never-ending battle against CORS errors. Recently, the industry introduced the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It's an open standard designed to fix this connectivity problem by creating a universal language for AI agents to communicate with external tools. But a protocol is just a blueprint. To actually use it, you need infrastructure. That is where a platform called Vinkius comes in, providing a live, cloud-managed network of over 2,600 ready-to-use MCP servers. This allows developers to bypass manual configuration, utilizing a zero-trust architecture that supports instant deployment across thousands of existing connectors. By handling the underlying digital plumbing, Vinkius provides the necessary infrastructure to bridge the gap between a model's logic and the external applications it needs to operate. To see this in practice, a developer simply navigates to the Vinkius platform and searches through their directory of over 2,500 available applications. If they want their agent to handle sales pipelines, they locate the HubSpot CRM server and deploy it with a single click. Zero custom code required. Within seconds, the AI agent gains the ability to search your database, create new client contacts, update internal notes, and assign tasks, all prompted entirely through natural conversation. This plug-and-play capability extends well beyond software data. An agent can connect to automation tools, like the Zapier Smart Home server, just as easily. By tapping into the Zapier Natural Language API, that same AI can now directly control over 5,000 physical smart home devices, bridging the gap between text prompts and the physical world. Because Vinkius removes the friction of building these APIs, developers spend their time refining how their agent thinks, rather than fighting with how it connects. To really test the power of this infrastructure, we can look at this visualization of the Roblox Social Graph, a chaotic, high-density environment that requires an agent to parse millions of connections in real time. When asked to investigate a specific player, the agent queries the Vinkius server to resolve a basic username, locking on to their verified, unique account ID, and immediately mapping out their immediate social network. It doesn't stop at static account data. The agent pulls live presence telemetry, allowing it to see exactly which specific games those connected users are actively playing right now. If we ask the AI to audit the player's clan, it retrieves the official metadata and organizes that messy web into a clear structural hierarchy, detailing every specific rank and role within the group. This capacity to pull structured intelligence out of massive gaming ecosystems applies instantly to platforms like Riot Games and Clash Royale as well. When an infrastructure can effortlessly untangle millions of concurrent users and chaotic microtransactions in a live game, routing standard enterprise data becomes trivial. All of this data routing happens securely in the background. Because Vinkius is entirely cloud-managed, it requires zero self-hosting from the developer. Data streams from server to AI through a secure server-server event endpoint, ensuring continuous delivery. Enterprise-grade security layers and active data loss prevention tools scan the stream on the fly. If a threat is detected, administrators can trigger a built-in kill switch, instantly severing access. Remarkably, this entire process, the secure handshake, the continuous data stream, and the real-time scanning, operates with under 40 milliseconds of latency. And because it runs on the standardized protocol, this gateway works right out of the box with Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT, or any other MCP client. An AI agent's logic is only as effective as its ability to interact with the world around it. Vinkius provides the standardized infrastructure that allows those agents to reach and manage any compatible endpoint.